Hi everyone! Welcome to day 4 of our vlog. For this episode, I will be sharing with you what's inside our nappy bag. So today is Saturday here. And so me and Amara is planning to go to the shopping center at the moment. And habang nire-ready ko yung bag na dadalahin namin, I just thought, bakit hindi yun ang i-content? So, eto na nga mga friends. Let's talk about the baby bag and what's inside this baby bag, nappy bag, or diaper bag, whatever you want to call it. So initially, I was thinking of really getting a Marc Jacobs tote bag to make it as my baby bag. But really, it will be quite expensive. It's not reasonable for a baby bag kasi madalas nasa floor lang siya or nasa compartment underneath the pram. In short, lagi siyang nasa parang dirty spot. Not really dirty naman, pero hindi siya dun sa magandang position. So, I just thought, why don't I try first something that's a bit similar than that pagdating sa build? And then if I really, really want it and I still want it, then that's the time that I'll get it. So I have got this nylon bag from Strand Bags. It's from their line Aya. And oh my gosh, I really love it. So it's made of a really good nylon material. It's almost like water resistant yung material niya. And because it's so a soft fabric, if it actually gets dirty, pero at the moment, hindi ko pa naman siya nalalaban ever. Pero you can easily just put it in the washing machine and magiging okay na rin siya. Magiging malinis agad. Otherwise, you can just do spot cleaning. Anyway, let's talk about what's inside. Sige, tanggalin ko muna lahat ng laman. And then, ilagay natin siya dito. So, actually, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga compartment nito. Doesn't have really very much compartment, but I think it's more than enough, lalo na pag sa mga short trips lang. Actually, kahit sa mga long trips nga din eh. Because whenever we go to the city and spend like 8 hours there, this is all that we need. It can contain everything that we need. And so, yeah, so I've got it in the color beige, and I also have another color in black because that's how much I love it. And hindi na ako magpapalit ng Marc Jacobs. Happy na ako dito. So it also comes in a long strap, long adjustable strap, and it's made of good quality materials. For its price, it's really actually very good. So let's talk about the inside of the bag. So it has three pockets. So one is this zip pocket, and there's two smaller pockets here on the side. And that's it. And then the main compartment. So I'll show you what's inside. So first off, of course, is the wipes. Very important, mga moms. So this one is a Huggies pouch, pero yung laman nito talaga hindi naman na Huggies na wipes, because this one is refillable. You can just put whatever wipes you prefer. So us, we just use the economically friendly wipes. Next one naman that we got here is this changing mat. So this one is a washable, water resistant mat. And the one thing I like about this is it's very space consuming. No, it's very not consuming. It's very space friendly actually. So the other mats that we had, it used to be very space consuming. That's why I thought of getting a compact one. This one also is washable. Next one that we have is, of course, the nappy. So this one is Amara's nappies. I always try and bring at least three whenever we go, because you'll never know, baka maya sumama yung tiyan ni Amara, edi ready tayo. The next one is this pouch, which contains Amara's spare clothes. So for Amara's spare clothes, I always bring, because at the moment it's summer season here, so I always bring like just a onesie na short sleeves and short shorts. And then, there are sometimes, it's a bit funny, it sometimes becomes cold. So, meron din akong dalang pants or leggings ni Amara and just a shirt. So, okay na ako sa dalawang spare clothes kasi short trip lang naman ito at sa shopping center lang kami pupunta. And the shopping center is just like 5 minutes drive away from home. So, worst comes to worst, kung kailangan, uuwi na lang kami. Kung kailangan pa ni Amara magpalit ulit after the second one. Ano. And then we've got this bag na, this is a wet bag. Set sila nung dalawang pouch kanina. So, three pouches in one set. This one naman, this is where I put Amara's dirty clothes. So, that, hindi siya mahalo at makapagdumi pa sa iba. Hindi ko siya naayos ng paglagay. So, okay na yan. So, I put this in one of the pocket. And we also got Amara's pouch food. So, this one is a pureed food. So, I put this one in the Subo bottle. So, this bottle is amazing. I really, really love it. So, instead of Amara having this directly from the pouch, na sinesqueeze niya at kinakalat niya sa buong sarili niya, this bottle is a genius. So, all you have to do is just put the puree inside, and then, maganda yung system nito eh. And then, sisip-sipin na lang ni Amara from the straw, and then, this thing in the middle, it pushes the puree up. So, that's how it works. So, that. And, may dala din ako lagi nitong feeding, ano ba tayo? Feeding bib ni Amara na may pangsalo ng pagkain niya. Also bring us a little fork and the spoon, the silicone spoon that comes with this one. This one is from the brand B-Box as well. So, maganda siya kasi very smart. Ayan, oh. Pag madumi na yung bib, nakalagay na siya automatically sa pouch. And then it's just, you just wash it when you got home and goods na. Meron din tayo dala dito ng mga rice rusk for Amara's snack. And also, we got here, of course, the milk. So, yung milk na dala namin is malamig. Pero most of the shopping centers here, if not all, merong baby room wherein may microwave doon where we can heat up the milk. Meron din dong change table, of course, and nursery room for the nursing moms, especially dun sa mga nagbe-breastfeed na moms. So that's the beauty of Australia. It's very mom and kids friendly. It's very family friendly, I'd say. And of course, our bottle for the milk. I also bring Amara some plain water just in case we eat and kailangan ni Amara ng panulak. May dala rin tayo laging dummy and the dummy holder. So this dummy holder is very cute. Look, it's even personalized. And I only got this one from AliExpress. And dahil summer, meron din tayo dalang hat madalas, if not all the time, para laging ready si Amara. Kasi yung sun dito sa Australia is medyo super init. Next up is we have a dog poo plastic bags. And this is what I use as well as Amara's nappy bag. Just in case, may soiled na nappy, I don't just directly put it sa bin. nilalagay ko sa bag na to just so hindi alingaso yung amoy. Or sometimes, we just need to change in some of our car trips in the car and walang basurahan. So we need to take the soiled nappy in the car and I double plastic it with this one. Another one that we have is a hand sanitizer. We also have Nappy Rash Cream. I really love this brand. It's the brand Weleda. So this is just a sampler, but this is actually what we have been using here at home as well. Kasi parang isa or dalawang gamit mo lang, yung pamumula ng Puwet de Amara nawawala na agad because of how good this cream is. The best. Isa to sa mga i-recommend ko sa mga new moms or moms out there na lalo na sa mga babies na prone magka-rash, use this. I really never had a lot of issues with Amara having nappy rash, thank goodness. And I would say one of the reasons is because we have this. The next one we have is more snacks. So this one is some yogurt drops. Guys, sobrang mahal nito. Hindi ko ma-justify. $5 para sa isang, lang to, 28 grams na yogurt drops. Like, why? Pero dahil gusto siya ni Amara, sige na nga lang, oo na lang. May dala din ako dito na nilagay ko sa maliit na container na mga panali sa buhok ni Amara. And may dala din akong lip balm for myself. So, ayaw ni Mama na dry yung lips niya. So, overall talaga, in this bag, dalawa lang yung akin. The sanitizer and the lip balm. And we also bring a muslin cloth pang cover sa kay Amara pag natutulog siya sa pram. Para hindi siya ma-distract sa mga nakikita niya sa labas. And meron din tayong dalang mga clips for the muslin cloth when we cover it. Kasi there was a time na nung wala pa akong ganito, guys, nililipad yung muslin cloth. Hindi nakakatuwa. So, kumuha kayo ng ganito. And that's it. That is what we have inside Amara's nappy bag. I also got this personalized name tag from Hippo Blue. I'll put the link down below. And this is where I also got Amara's personalized stickers. As you'd notice, sa mga gamit niya, mga bottles, kahit dito sa lid ng bottle, it all has her names on it. Kasi just in case, we needed to bring it to a kid's party or if she needed to bring it to daycare. And B-Box is a popular brand here in Australia. We don't want it to be swapped around someone else's bottle. And so, we put a name tag on it. And sa lahat ng gamit ni Amara talaga, lalo na yung mga pang daycare, laging may tags. So, that's it mga moms for today's vlog of day 4. Gosh, guys, bukas day 5 na. I'm so proud of myself at nakaabot tayo dito. Anyway, I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye!